Good day guys, and welcome here to a new video on my channel. So as you can see, we are at the airport now. Right there you can see the airplane, and we're flying first to Dubai, and after that we're flying to Tokyo, but more I will explain you there. Hello.
Okay, let me check the forward. Excellent, thank you, Mr.
Yeah, we're sitting kind of at the same
Yeah, we just have to check the details.
Yeah.
Excellent, thank you. Just go across and to your right. Thanks.
Alright, so we are sitting in the plane from Hamburg to Dubai, and as you can see here in the air show, we're nearly arrived. We just need 1 hour. We just came out from the plane and it's literally 38 degrees. It's so hot, OMG.
Let us talk about your ways. I hear it calling out for days. Nor a doubt that I'm amazed, but you're backing off and don't seem phased. So why, it took one look and now you stare at me the same. So why, it took one look but you play me like a game.
We just arrived here at the Tokyo airport, and now we are going through the immigration, and after that we are taking a taxi to our hotel. As you can see, here are the first Japanese signs. I can't really read it, but it looks so cool, so let's go.
So what do you think of Japan so far?
So it's pretty hot, but my first impression, it looks really cool. Alright, so as you can see, here is our taxi, which brings us to the hotel, and let's go through Tokyo.
It took one look and now you stare at me the same. It took one look but you play me like a game.
Alright guys, so it's today the next morning. We just woke up and had breakfast, and now we're going to visit Tokyo. So we have today 35 degrees, so it's going to be really hot, and we are having shorts and t-shirts. And now we are taking the underground to get to Shinjuku, our first stop here on our trip through Tokyo. It's very clean and safe here, so we're just waiting for the train now. just arrived here in Shinjuku. First of all, I'll give you some general information about Japan. So there are living 127 million people in Japan, and in the capital Tokyo there are living 10 million people, so it's a lot. As I said, we just arrived here in Shinjuku, and it is a major commercial and administrative center, housing the northern half of the busiest railway station in the world, the Shinjuku Station, and the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building, which is the administration center here for the government in Tokyo.
It took one look and now you stare at me the same. It took one look but you play me like a game.
So we are now in the district Shinjuku, as we already said, and it is in the west of Tokyo. So now we're walking through the streets of Shinjuku, which are surrounded by the characteristic skyscrapers, because the west of Tokyo, it's known for its skyscrapers.
In the earlier days there were 5 major roads, all from the Nihonbashi Bridge. Along these streets there were hotels where post office officials could rest their horses and stay overnight. There was a place between 2 hotels which had a larger distance from each other. Therefore it was arranged to build a hotel in this free space, and it became the name Naito Shinjuku, so the new Naito Hotel. And when this area became a city in 1947, it became its name Shinjuku. Alright, so there are many vending machines here in Tokyo. There are hundreds placed in each street, and it's really incredible how much machines are standing here in Tokyo.
One look but you play me like a game. It took one look and now you stare at me the same. It took one look but you play me like a game.
So we're using again the metro because we are going to the next little town in Tokyo. It's Ikebukuro.
So now we bought a metro pass, this one, and it is much easier to get around.
Ikebukuro is a commercial and entertainment center here in Tokyo, which offers plenty of opportunities for entertainment, dining and shopping. Sunshine City is a large entertainment and shopping complex, which is a 60-story skyscraper. At the time when it was built in 1978, the 239-meter tall building was the largest building in Asia, until the government building in Seoul was the biggest building in complete Asia.
You know there's something that I saw about your ways. I hear it calling out for days.
So after being in Ikebukuro, we are going now to the Imperial Gardens right behind us to enjoy some nature right here in Tokyo.
You took one look and now you stare at me the same. You took one look but you played me like a game.
Imperial Palace, and the Tokyo Imperial Palace is the primary residence of the Emperor of Japan. It is a large park-like area located here in Tokyo and contains buildings including the main palace, the private residences of the imperial family, and administrative offices.
It took one look and now you stare at me the same. It took one look but you played me like a game. It took one look and now you stare at me the same.
So visiting the Imperial Gardens was really amazing, and also the look on the palace was really cool. After visiting the Imperial Gardens, we are now at the Sky Tower, as you can see right here, and we have now sunset, and we are watching now sunset from above from the Sky Tower.
It took one look but you played me like a game.
So the time-lapse was really cool. We really enjoyed the view here from the tower, and now we are going to eat traditional Japanese food. Alright, so did you enjoy the view?
Yeah, it was just incredible. And the best was the sunset. Well, we didn't really see the sunset because it was so cloudy and there was really much fog. But you could see that the city got darker and darker, and then the lights appeared, and it was just fantastic.
Really cool.
Amazing.
So let's go eating now.
So we're eating with chopsticks, which is really, really difficult. But it tastes good.
Really cool. Is it working?
Yeah, kind of.
Alright guys, so that was an absolutely amazing day. So if you liked the video, make sure you give this video a thumb up, you leave us some comments down below, and you don't forget to subscribe to my sister's channel and to my channel. So see you tomorrow on MCee's channel with the next vlog from Tokyo. Bye!